This is the main elevators at Northwell Health at Jones Beach Theater. This used to be Hudson with C.J. Anderson. Completely modernized. And I want this one because it's doing some weird thing. It's got the original Annunciator thing over there. Here it is. Oh, not much got in.
They were the elevator people.
Thank you. Green. Yes.
We're on 2, right? Yeah. I'm sorry.
Going up to 2?
Yes.
3.
Yep, got it.
Oh, that looks good. That was a good idea.
I told that before you. It's delicious. I got lemon.
Is there enough for everybody?
No.
This is vodka, so it's always
Watermelon.
okay. Lemon? Nice. Nice. Next time.
Exactly.
Next time.
Really?
Same.
Thank you.
Good.
Third floor, ladies' lounge room.
I'm sorry, I'm old.
No, he said that. He said it that on our way up.
West Wednesday might be.
I never said it was original.
Someone said Toys and Tots. We're going down to the first one?
Yeah, first floor.
Lisa, I am so sorry.
Just say ground level?
Yeah, the ground level's 1.
I forgot you're wearing, but you weren't wearing
I
sandals.
went
So
to our
sorry.
new ones, and they discontinued this model.
Oh, we made it.
I don't know which years to buy them. I've been buying these for like 15 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It might shake. Yeah, it's going to. Yep.
Oh, why is
It does that every time.
Okay. First floor?
Yep, first. I think my thing's on 2, so I meant to get off there.
Thank you, God bless you. Chris, get up here. Right here. Chris, get close to me. Chris, get close to me.
Man, everybody's coughing and breathing all over that stuff.
This is like a COVID dream, right?
It's got
So much for social distancing. We got your social distancing.
Everybody should be.
If I get one of those.
Sorry.
They give me one, I'll keep my mouth shut.
All right, what VIP are you delivering those to? 'Cause
Hey, you gave him one.
everybody keep it on the DL. We're stealing the pretzels from the VIPs, okay?
They don't need more. They're
I
gonna
know,
get to
everybody
two.
pull
What
up
does this mean?
money for the homeboy here.
I'm not doing a copy right now.
Yeah, we're gonna walk down.
Pretzel guy back in.
Let's the button go out this time.
I should have done pretzel. I have a pretzel for $9. Swap? She wants a swap.
Get off up here. Send that one off. See, where's the other one? Okay, it's coming up. She almost just killed herself. This one lights up orange. That's kind of cool. Reminds me of, gives a lot of monitored CR. Cool thing is this door is like actually open. We can take a quick look out here. Looks pretty cool out there. I have no idea, but these might be Otis mods, but I highly doubt it. I'm only gonna take this one down to 2. I just wanted to film the right car. Here it is. Chimes early up here. Downstairs it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know who modernized these. It's got the original door track in place. On this side. Where are you going? Focus does not work on this one. They do talk for the record. These call buttons are the same.